Look at the sleeves. That is really smooth. Take the hood on. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog takes off where we left off at my mom's house after Christmas. We celebrated with my parents on 26th of December. In the morning, we decided to do a little bit of a workout. We've been eating so much junk food and a lot of chocolate, so we just wanted to feel good and feel healthy. So I did Pilates, Steve did a cycling workout, and then we also had dinner and we watched a movie. The following day, my mom and I went to the mall. I went to Indigo to do a little bit of shopping. I actually ended up buying the Wicked vinyl, which you guys will see in a few seconds in one of the later clips. But like I said, we went to the mall and then I went home after that. My instincts close my eyes. What are you making for lunch, Steven? Wow, that one looks great. Maybe I will have some.
What? You said no, I don't have enough.
So is this advent calendar all ice fishing?
It mostly looks like ice fishing, more of a summer bait. The frog's definitely an open water bait.
When we got home and unpacked and relaxed, we went on a walk and the ice is pretty much formed, although it's pretty thin, so it's not the best ice to actually go out on. So we just kind of stuck around the beach and went on a short little walk with Elsa. There was so much snow on the ground and Steve kept chucking snowballs at us.
Don't you dare. I know what you're about to do. Whoa, that's a perfect one. Oh my God.
Guys, it's December 28th. We're home and I think it's time to take down the Christmas tree. I'm gonna keep the one on downstairs, but just not this one because I think we can put her away. So sad. All right, time to take her down. 3, 2, 1. This tree I was really proud of this year with all these decorations, the nutcracker. So I'm actually really sad to see this one go, but fresh start to the new year means this is gonna be all cleaned up and cleaned up. It's always a little bit sad taking down the Christmas tree, but the way I look at it is it's just the start of the new year. We took this one down, but we kept the one downstairs up. I do like keeping some festivities up throughout the new year a little bit, just because when it's snowing, the twinkly lights just go so well and makes me feel so cheery and happy. There's the end of Christmas 2024.
Is she apologizing for waking us up in the middle of the night?
Yes. So I know there's this challenge called 75 hard, and honestly, I know I won't be able to make that work, but I want to try 75 medium or 75 soft, just 75 days in the beginning of the year, where I really work towards my fitness and health goals and prioritize my overall mental and physical well-being. And I know the 75 hard challenge would be really good to do, but honestly, like I said, just at this point in my life, I don't think that would be possible. I am starting school in the new year, so I don't really want to put too much pressure on myself because I know I'll do that anyways. But like I said, I want to do that challenge. Let me know if you want to do it too. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. And it feels so weird not to say happy Vlogmas. Vlogmas has officially passed, but I wanted to hang out with you guys again. It should be January by the time this vlog goes out, but it's currently December 28th. New Year's is fast approaching, and I'm just kind of like settling into the house after being away for Christmas, organizing the stuff that we got for Christmas, and just really cleaning up, tidying up before the new year starts. During the new year, I'm actually away on a trip. By the time this vlog is out, I'll be back, but I wanted to hang out with you guys today. I'm going to do a Pilates class, and actually this is a pajama set that I got for Christmas from Steve's mom. So cozy and cute and aesthetic. I love it. But I also want to show you guys what I got for Christmas. I'll probably do that after Pilates, but yeah.
including one of the things that I got for Christmas was a new yoga mat, which is another reason I want to work out now. And I just feel motivated to do something light, something active, because I've been lazy all morning. It's currently 2:30 and all I've done is paint a picture. Well, not all I've done. Actually, yeah, that's pretty much all I've done. I made breakfast and we got up at like 10:30. We slept in so much. We have been not getting enough sleep because obviously when you're not sleeping in your own bed, the quality of sleep is totally different. Plus when we had Luna sleeping with us at my parents' house, it's fine, but she would wake us up at like 4 in the morning, like pawing at our feet, just like a cat does, you know? We didn't have like the best sleep over the holidays, so we definitely slept in a lot. Plus like so many exciting things are happening. Like nobody wants to go to bed at like 7 o'clock, you know, or like sleep in too much because lots is happening. So we didn't get that much sleep, so we caught up today for sure. But like I said, I'm gonna get changed and do a Pilates class, so let's get changed. I'm wearing this activewear set from Pink. I hardly really wear it because, I don't know, it's just not something I wear very often, but I love wearing a cute set. So I'm gonna do a Pilates class downstairs. It's really rainy as well today, which is the perfect day to like sit, read a book, have a bubble bath, do Pilates. Not in that order, actually reverse that entire order. I'm gonna do Pilates, then read my book, have a nice relaxing bubble bath, do some skincare, and maybe cook some delicious food tonight and call it an early night because it's very rainy. I do wanna show you guys a few things. I don't wanna do like a huge what I got for Christmas haul because I don't want people to think like, oh, you're bragging. I'm really, really not. I just want to show you guys some of the things that I got that I enjoy. So yeah, I'll do a very casual what I got in a day or what I got for Christmas haul. Wow, my coffee is not hitting. I'm just so relaxed right now, which is a good thing. But let's do some Pilates. Like I always say, I love cozy vibe when I'm doing a workout, especially if it's yoga or Pilates. But one of the presents Steve actually got for me this year was a new yoga mat, and it's really nice. I almost don't want to use it here because I haven't vacuumed or swept or cleaned the floors, and they're full of dog hair, but that's okay. I gotta break it out at some point, but it's got this like almost like suede like finish, and it's really nice, and it's supposed to be like super grippy, anti-sweat, and water resistant. So we're gonna try it out today. I love the color as well. He knows I love purple. You guys know I love purple. So we're going to use this bad boy. It's nice and like squishy on the front of it, but I love that it's like a cloud. Look, it's so pretty. Right, let's do some Move with Nicole Pilates.
Left ear down to your shoulder. Feeling in the
good. It went super fast. I did the 35-minute dancer Pilates workout, full body sculpt, no equipment. It was so good. I ended up getting pretty close to closing, oops, did not mean to do that, closing my ring, which is exciting. I love closing my rings. It makes me feel really accomplished. Oh, I did close my ring. Cool. Very cool. Anyways, I'm going to go have a snack. I, again, had breakfast really late because we woke up at like 10:30. By the time I started cooking, it was 11, then we ate around 11:30 to noon. And what time is it now? It is currently 3 o'clock, but I am pretty hungry, so I'm gonna have like a salad, I think, and something light because I know we'll have dinner early tonight to go to bed early. So I'll probably have a salad and like a piece of bread. Maybe I'll fry up an egg if the fry pan isn't dirty because I don't really want to clean it. But yeah, something super light, requires minimal effort. Also, the yoga mat worked great. It looks great too. Decided to boil some eggs because the pan is still dirty from the pancakes Steve made, so I don't feel like cleaning it. There's a lot already I have to clean. So I'm gonna boil some eggs, have a salad, probably have some hummus and toast, and maybe make a matcha latte too, because it's like 3 o'clock. It's too late for coffee on a day off. I don't like having coffee this late if I'm like gonna go to bed at like 9 or 10. So I am gonna make a matcha latte, and my favorite has been the strawberry matcha, but part of me wants to make, you know what? I'm gonna do the ceremonial blend just because I haven't really had it in a while. So I'm gonna have this organic ceremonial matcha tea house edition from Jade Leaf. And look at the color. The color is just stunning. I got this new whisk from Winners the other day, so we're gonna use. Now I think the key is to do little M's. It's hard to see this line, oh my goodness. Oh, that is so perfect. Look at that matcha. Taste test. I'm excited because I like the ceremonial blend. Oh, wow. This is probably one of the best matchas I've ever made. My goodness. Yum.
I think another reason I want to do 75 soft is because I want to hold myself accountable to keeping myself moving and healthy since I am starting school and I'm working. Health is wealth, and having a good fitness routine can really set you up for the day.
I just got out of having a very luxurious and relaxing bubble bath. I'm going to do some skincare. I need to do my eyebrows as well, but I did just have like some weird allergic reaction to some makeup recently, so maybe I won't right now because it's like pretty swollen right there. But like I said, I am definitely going to do some skincare. So let's wash our face. I'm also like almost halfway through A Court of Mist and Fury, and it's so good. I don't want to put it down. I love the world. I love the world building. I love the suspense. I love the character development, and spoilers, I just absolutely love the friends that are made into family. That feeling. I love it. I love the whole book so far, so I'm really excited to continue reading tonight. And I definitely want to finish it before I leave for my mini trip because I know Steven is almost done ACOTAR and I don't want to leave him high and dry without a second book to read. And I remember when I read ACOTAR, I just wanted to get right into A Court of Mist and Fury, and I did. So I want to finish this pretty soon in the next couple of days, so I think that's going to be my mission for the next few days. I know I said I'd show you guys like what I got for Christmas. I'll save that for tomorrow or the next vlog. Again, I don't want to make it like a whole video because I don't want to seem like braggy or like, I don't know. It'll come up. I'll show you guys like what I did get, like some of the things that I've been using, such as the record player, some vinyls, and some fun stuff. This is my jam. Being ready for bed basically at 6 o'clock. Like jammies on, skincare done, hair washed. I mean, my hair was washed yesterday. Bubble bath and or shower, and cooking dinner at like 6 o'clock, so that when 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock rolls around, I can sit comfily in bed, and comfily is not a word, comfy in bed, and I can relax. But like I said, we're gonna do some skincare. So let's pull out some of these eye masks. I have a few more eye masks. Let's do these ones. I think these are depuffing. Yeah, retinol and, oh, maybe not. Maybe not retinol. I have one more. Where is that one more? You know what? I'm just gonna do this gold foil sheet mask because it seems like fun. Then I can lay down and read my book. Ooh, it's very cool looking. Are you kidding? That is really cool. It's like actual gold. Okay, now which way am I supposed to place it on my face? It says leave on, it doesn't tell me what side. I don't know what side to put on my face though. What? I'm very confused right now, guys. Do I put the gold part on my face? Or do I put the other part on my face? Or does it matter? I feel like it's this part. We're gonna do that part. C3PO realness. Gonna go read my book. How do I look?
One of the other aspects about 75 soft or 75 whatever challenge you're doing is that you eat healthy every single day. You make sure that you read at least 10 pages per day. So I definitely want to take myself up on this challenge. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to do something similar. Maybe we can start a little group together. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Happy New Year. Let's make 2025 the best year yet. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.